What's up, y'all? It's your boy Rodney. I'm working on what I call my rooster board. You'll see why in a second. And mind you, I've never carved on wood before. Never tried to carve a picture or nothing. I mean, other than my pocket knife on a tree, putting my name or a girl that I was dating's name in, that dumb stuff. And I don't know. I wanted to show y'all. Check it out. My epoxy pour wasn't very great. Like every time I've ever tried to use tabletop epoxy, it never works. I mean, I don't know why. Oh, big rooster over there is hollering. He's jealous. You know what I mean? He's jealous. But anyways, come on, make your boy famous. Everybody's got the power to do it. Y'all think about that, alright? Anyways, peace and love, y'all. Peace.